All right, my friends, we are going to go over how to use Google Translate because a couple of you guys were saying you weren't sure how to do that. So, go on in, go on into the middle thing here with the Google and write in Google Translate. Look at that. It comes up. Then you're going to go to the assignment that you did, and it says, "Oh, look what I wrote. The early childhood program is awesome. I really enjoy being part of such a great group. Miss Yvette is the best teacher ever." All right, let's see how this translates. So, highlight and copy it. Go over to where you put Google Translate, and you're going to see where it says here, enter text. Paste. Now, English to English, that's not going to work. So what I want to do is I want to put it from English to Spanish. So it needs to say Spanish up there. So I'm going to scroll on down till I see, look at that, Spanish, and voila, it does it. Right there, don't need to do anything else. Then what you're going to do is click the little button down here that says copy. Then I go to my document, or if you're going to go to discussion board like I want you to do and put it in there, there it is. Just paste it on. That's all you got to do, my friends. All right? So I'm looking forward to seeing those translations so that our English and Spanish speaking friends can all communicate together. All right, take care, everybody. Bye bye.